There are a few different ways to zoom in on your waveform to make precision editing easier. If you have a scroll wheel on your mouse, you can scroll up to zoom in and scroll down to zoom out. You can also use the zoom slider or zoom buttons in the lower right corner of your project window. WavePad also has a vertical zoom feature, which will zoom only the height of the waves. These buttons are located just under the vertical scroll bar in the project window. This is useful when you need to see greater differences between the peaks and troughs on the waveform. For more WavePad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.